What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, we have something here to unbox from Amazon. We got the blue alien on deck, so let's just see what we have inside. Huge box, small contents, and this is an action cam. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. A micro action cam, guys. A Hawkeye Firefly is what it's called. That's the proper name. And wow, this thing is super light and small. Very surprised at how small this thing is and how light it is. Man, this thing hardly feels like it weighs anything. Let me grab a scale and check it out. Wow, this thing only weighs 23.7 grams. That's with the whole mount and everything, but it looks like it slides out of the mount sideways this way. 15.5 grams without this little mount there. This is definitely going to be a game changer if this thing has really nice video and all. And so we have two buttons up here on top. Looks like it might record sound too. I see some air holes there, or I don't know if they're for sound or what, or if it's a mic. So definitely some possibilities of this thing recording sound. Not sure if it does. Let me have a look at the instructions manual really quick. Okay, so I checked out the manual really quick, and so a few things. It seems that this hole here is the LED to alert you if it's recording or not, and that other hole, this is the reset button, resets in that hole on this side. And so it doesn't mention at all if these little holes along the side and along the top there, it doesn't mention if there's a mic in there, and it doesn't mention if this thing records sound or not. So not sure about that. I'll have to record some video with it and get back with you guys to see if it records sound or not. This thing does support, according to this, we're going to read off the specs here. So the resolutions that this support is 1080p 30 frames per second and 720p 30 frames per second. Wow. I just got to say wow about the 1080p thing there. And wait a minute, it does say audio video here, AV NTSC. It does take a class 4 micro SD card, and it supports 8 to 32 gigs on the SD card, and the size is 24 by 24 by 32 millimeters. The weight, we saw the weight already. It says it weighs 14 grams on here, but we saw the weight already. The battery is a 200 milliamp hour, and so the working time is 50 minutes, and it charges for 2 hours. The file format is AVI, and the lens is a f2.8, 5 glasses it says, whatever that means. So the viewing angle is 180 degrees, really awesome wide screen, and the voltage is 5 volts, and the current is 200 milliamps. Let's look at the accessories it comes with. So it comes with this AV cable here, audio video cable, and it looks like there's the charger in here, USB charger. And we get, this is a mount, looks like a tripod mount here in this package. Yes, I believe this is a tripod mount. So this is definitely some kind of a mount for it there. Oh yeah, this is a tripod mount. This is a part that it snaps onto there. This is another part, the mount there. This is the part that you screw it in. Screw it in with that. So it comes with this tripod mount attachment there. Here's the other piece there. I imagine that snaps on here. That snaps onto this holder here on the bottom. And that way you can mount this thing on a tripod. So pretty nice. We're not going to be using it on a tripod though. We're more interested in using this thing on a quad, a mini quad, or even a full size 5-incher. This thing will save a lot of weight if it has a really nice picture and all. And this thing being widescreen 180, it should be really nice, even on a larger quad, saving a whole bunch of weight. So I guess the days of having your 5-incher having performance drastically reduced because of the cam and all, because of a GoPro or whatnot, maybe this is an awesome option to be able to still have a bunch of maneuverability and be still agile and all, and film some really nice video, 1080p, 30 frames per second. Let's look at how this would look on one of the micro quads. Check it out. So we're probably going to be using this. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see why not. But you probably can get some other kind of way to mount this thing on here to save weight. Let's just pop this into the mount there and have a look at it this way. So pretty nice. It fits on this perfectly. Doesn't weigh that much. This thing is really light. And there is a little space in between there where we can probably get a strap through there and go around the top here. Yep, looks like this is a perfect candidate. This mini fight here. So you guys can expect some footage of this in a video on this coming up really soon. And ultimately a quick review or full review. So this is the Hawkeye Firefly micro action cam. Definitely seems like a game changer to me. Thanks for watching.